I think this is one of the clearest examples of where AI video is heading, because Zopia does not simply generate isolated clips. Zopia, the first multimodal version of OpenClaw, an AI native video automation system, positions itself as the world's first AI film agent, and after testing the workflow, that description holds up. This feels much closer to a film-grade multi-agent production system built for storytelling, where you can start from a single idea or a full script, and the platform orchestrates the process from story to a final watchable film. Let me show you how this works inside the real interface. I'll walk you this step by step so you can clearly see how each part of the workflow connects. I'm starting on the main canvas, where a chat-based workflow on the right guides the process. Instead of navigating complex menus, I can type a natural language idea directly into the dialog box. I'm using a simple premise about a young student in a magical academy who discovers something he was never meant to see. I define the idea, choose the settings, and let the system begin. So let's go step by step through each stage. Before generation, I configure key story and style settings, including language, aspect ratio, resolution, visual style, and workflow type. I can choose between storyboard-based workflows or more direct modes, showing this is built for structured production rather than casual prompting. The interface highlights Zopia Agent 2 for cinematic results, while supporting orchestration for models like Ling 3. Once I hit create, the system doesn't just generate text. The director agent orchestrates the full pipeline: story, character design, storyboard, shot generation, editing, audio-visual sync, quality control, and final film. The interface reflects this with canvas, script, characters, storyboard, and timeline, mirroring real production stages. The script stage automatically produces a structured screenplay with genre, audience, summary, and character descriptions. This gives a clear starting point. Characters are defined both narratively and visually, ensuring consistency. Then the system moves into character and scene design, where I generate multi-angle reference images to prevent identity drift. Next is the storyboard, where the story is broken into structured shots with defined actions and timing. This workflow is fully controllable and aligned with real filmmaking, allowing refinement before generation. From there, the pipeline moves into execution. The system connects screenplay, character design, and storyboard into a coherent sequence of shots, enabling the one idea to full film process without manual prompting for every scene. Once the storyboard is ready, everything moves into the timeline. Here, assets are arranged in an editable environment where I can preview, adjust timing, and finalize the sequence. This reinforces that Zopia orchestrates a full production workflow. Now, here's where it becomes visually clear. I can preview the generated scenes as actual video outputs, showing photorealistic quality, character consistency, and cinematic results. This is where the pipeline turns into a real, watchable output. At a deeper level, this is where the multi-agent system becomes clear. Instead of a single model, the platform behaves like a coordinated AI production team. The director agent manages the pipeline while different stages handle story, visuals, structure, and output. The workflow extends into audio-visual synchronization and quality assurance, reinforcing that this is built for final production quality. One of the strongest features is multi-episode support. From the canvas, I can continue the same project into new episodes without switching workspaces, maintaining consistency across longer formats. This connects directly to content scaling. Zopia enables one creator to produce more content, test multiple genres, and manage narrative workflows more efficiently. Another key feature is OpenClaw integration. By choosing between human or AI agent roles, creators can enable 24 hours a day, 7 days a week automated productivity, shifting the workflow toward a more autonomous system. At the same time, the creator stays in control. The chat interface asks for feedback, the storyboard is editable, and the timeline allows refinement. The platform also emphasizes speed, suggesting that in around 10 minutes, an idea can become a structured, watchable video. And because each step is structured, the full process is easy to follow. So overall, Zopia is not a simple AI video generator, but a storytelling-focused production system. It combines chat-based simplicity with a structured multi-agent pipeline, supports consistency, storyboard workflows, timeline editing, multi-episode storytelling, and OpenClaw-powered automation. Instead of generating random clips, you're building a complete production workflow, from idea to story, to characters, to storyboard, to shots, to editing, to final output. And when this scales across episodes and automation, it becomes a new way to build and scale narrative content. That's why the key takeaway is not just visual quality, but structure, coherence, and production logic, making this feel less like a tool and more like an AI-powered film production environment.